from Las Vegas, Nevada, this is London Vice.
Cut the music. For the uninformed and uneducated, which from the looks of it is everybody here, my name is London Vice, the weapon of mass satisfaction. That's right, I see the lust in your eyes, lady. I see it. I see it. Tonight, I'm challenging Kyle Blizzard. A lot of people have been asking me. Yeah, good job. A lot of people have been asking me, why would I challenge Kyle Blizzard? Kyle's been going around talking about how big and how bad he is. Well, quite frankly, any woman that's gone one-on-one with London Vice will tell you that there's nobody badder and nobody bigger, if you know what I mean. So Kyle, if you're done armor-alling your new boots, why don't you get out here and I'll show you what it's like to get a beating from a real man, daddy.
Nobody better.
And introducing his opponent from Defiance, Ohio, this is Killer Kyle Blizzard.
Oh yeah, baby! Woo! People ready? I'm ready every week, baby. What's up, man? You guys doing tonight? That's right. How y'all doing tonight? For those of you who don't know, I am the killer Kyle Blizzard, and I'm happy to be here at ASW. That's right. Apparently tonight I'm facing London Vice.
That's right, daddy.
At London Vice, I don't know if you've ever heard the phrase, be careful what you wish for because you just might get it. And tonight, you're going to find out that it doesn't matter how bad or big you think you are. The only thing that actually matters is how bad I actually am, baby. Now let's do this.
That's right, you better check your drawing off black. Not to be trusted. Not to be trusted.
Check in. I got loaded.
Take over it.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of this match, Killer